Okay, I've got a teacher here that wants to put this excellent multiple choice question inside an LMS assessment, and by pasting it, you lose some of the stuff. He wants the picture, you can't copy and paste the picture, and it won't allow the file to be uploaded just by a paste. So how do I get a picture of this problem to a multiple choice question in my assessment? I'm going to show you two ways. The first way, I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to use this capture tool. This is a part of the Jing app. I could also use the snipping tool built into Windows, but Jing is a little more convenient, and I'm going to show you why. I'm going to take a capture of this, boom, and then capture image. Now this is what you can do with the snipping tool as well. You just save the image. Save it to your desktop, and default name is fine. Now when I'm building a multiple choice question in my assessment, now all I do is I add a photo here. And so from this photo, I press a number, give it anything. I usually just slot the keyboard and then drag the photo or select it from my desktop. That's going to be here. And this guy. Cool. Now you have the picture. Now the thing that happens when, let me, A, B, C, I'm just guessing it's C. And if I preview this assessment, this is what the students will see. And now what's going to happen pretty often is students will click this picture, think that this is a new tab, and close it and quit themselves out of the assessment. That's going to be a nuisance. That's an ongoing headache with this thing, because they don't realize it's what's called a modal. It's a window within this. It's not in a new tab. So what I now use Jing for is this second method, which is simply to, once I capture the image, I share it. And it just gives me a link, and now it's automatically added to my clipboard. I have a pretty sizable storage, so I'm not really concerned about running out on the free tier. Now what I say is view this image, and I'll select this, make it into a link, and paste it here. And this is the extra step that really makes a difference. Open it in a new window. Now if I insert this and then I say A, B, C, D, I don't know which one's correct. I didn't actually look at the problem. Vectors are cool, don't get me wrong. So now I'll preview assessment, I'll go to begin, and now this is the old way and this is the new way. And so view this image, they see it in a different tab, and it's more natural to the students to close the tab that pops up. Or to pull it out into a different window and go side by side. That's easier for them than some of the, but the disadvantage is you really can't see it. It would have to be added here. But the consequence of including the image in the built-in way is that should you click on it, now you're going to end up getting students locked out. And when a student just messages you that says they're locked out, it's an easy thing to remedy, but you need to be on the spot on that. And that's, you click that and you press there will be a box here that says allow incomplete students to continue. And they can, despite them not having an option to resubmit the assignment, they will be able to anyway. By that I mean I only indicated one attempt allowed, and so they're not allowed to try again even if they quit out by mistake unless I approve it.